What's up everybody, welcome back to How To Knots for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the Arbor knot or the Canadian jam knot, whatever you want to call it, we're going to tie it. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, to tie this knot it's really simple. We're just going to start by going around our object here, then we're going to come under, then over both lines, under, through, makes like an overhand loop here, and then we're going to cinch that tight. Alright, and then with the Arbor knot, the thing is, after we have this, we are pretty much done, except we want to make just a little knot at the end of the rope here, just as a stopper, so nothing can get through. So we're just going to take this, go over and through, and there we go, and just pull that tight, and that's just the stopper. So now we have our Arbor knot, or Canadian jam knot you could call it. So all you got to do is pull on the main line here, up to your object, and tighten. And there you go. The Arbor knot, it's called, is used for a fishing spool at the very end of the spool, or some people use it called the Canadian jam knot when you're cinching to objects, better when you have a thinner rope. But for the demonstration we use a thick one here just so you can see everything and how it works. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.